Well, I started practicing law. Well, I was in law school actually when I went to work for my first real boss, I would say, at the Texas legislature. She was the first Mexican-American woman ever elected to the Texas legislature. She wanted to hire other Latinas to make sure that we got the opportunities to do that work. And so she became a very strong mentor to me, and taught me about really being meticulous about the work, making sure that we were thorough, made sure that we were handling constituent affairs as well as legislative matters to make sure that you represented the clients well, that you gave them your complete and utter attention, and made sure that whatever issues that they were experiencing, that you were there to help them resolve them. And so that set the bar for me in my practice of law and in my legal career. The second mentor was another personal injury attorney in town. His name is Bill Whitehurst, and he was the president of the State Bar of Texas. And I got interviewed by him to take a job there as the legislative director for the State Bar. And so right away, again, he expected really, high level of experience and detailed work. He taught me about how to write a great memo to get the attention of folks by, never burying the lead, with starting and making sure that you get the point immediately or as quickly as possible to the reader, and to make sure that, you are getting folks' attention and you're getting your message across. So that was another real important lesson to learn very early on in my career. And also in working with the legislature, those members have thousands of bills that they have to deal with on a regular basis. And so if you're going to be able to get their attention, you can't be writing lengthy memos. You've got to really make sure you're concise and precise and that you get your message across. And so those were also very important tools that I learned very early on in my career. I've held several positions within the bar and also in my community. My role in the law firm is to be out in the community and to be the public service. I like to say the public service arm of our law firm. And so I take my community service work very seriously. I've served on multitudes of boards, including Planned Parenthood, the Battered Women's Shelter, Texas Advocacy Project, helping victims of domestic violence get their day in court or be protected. I've also worked on the YMCA board, as well as I serve currently on the Austin Arts Commission. I'm an appointed official at the city of Austin, and I help funding for the arts and arts organizations in our community. I've lived in Austin for 45 years, and I've been involved for probably 30 of those years, highly involved. The Hispanic Bar Association of Austin is an organization that I've been engaged with since the very beginning of my legal career. I've served as its president. I've served as the president of the state affiliate, the chapter, the Mexican American Bar Association of Texas. And I also served as a state bar section chair for the Hispanic issues section as well. So I'm still involved with the Hispanic Bar. I started some projects almost 30 years ago for them, where we give Thanksgiving baskets every year to families in need in the community. In addition, I've started a holiday Christmas party for kids. When I first joined the bar, and I realized, when we were doing our holiday parties, all we were doing was celebrating amongst, the lawyers and just spending money just to, have happy hours or whatever. And I actually felt that we needed to do more in the community, and that, if we were going to celebrate the holidays, we should be taking care of families and kids. And so I instituted a project whereby the attorneys adopt a child for Christmas or for the holidays and provide a gift to them. And so again, organize a party with a magician and Santa and pizza and gifts for the kids, and give grocery gift cards for the families, because I want to make sure that we're giving back, and I want to make sure that the lawyers who have become more privileged members of our community always remember where they came from and always remember to give back to the community. That's very important to me.